Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, they're going behind you.
I realize
I'm going for it.
Hopefully
There you
it
go.
works.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you guys survive?
No.
Nope. Okay,
I
here.
want to get a splatter with that. Oh my god!
Holy
Oh
shit!
my god!
Holy shit!
I'm at the gas station.
I'm gonna go fly!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh man! Get out of the water! Get out of the water! Oh,
They landed in the other water!
So we're not getting shot at and everything. Is it?
Holy shit!
You got Nope.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Holy
Oh
shit, there
my
you are.
God.
God. A little
Wow.
late, fat tard. Oh.
That was the
Holy
crap.
I made a flip.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was way. Yeah. Yeah, just a little late on my part. You're fucked.
Get back! This bitch!
Oh god.
God.
Oh god.
Oh
god, we're out of bounds.
Where did we go?
You guys
What?
are really far away. Stay on that one, guys. Motherfuckers! We survived!
Bon voyage, motherfuckers.
Baked buddies, unite! Oh my god! Where are we? Sorry, where are we?
We all died.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
Oh my god!
Wait, I'm on you guys.
We did.
Oh god.
Oh my god! Help!
Oh god. You went farther than tech.
Yes!
And we. Oh dang it. We would have kept flipping.
I've spotted an enemy tank in the area.
Oh shit! Jesus! What the fuck? We're flying! We're flying!
Here we go! Here we go!
Boom! Oh! We're going over B! We passed B! We whipped!
We went past the out of bounds area so far.
This is the best spot to do it at.
It is.
Game ever!
I love this game!
Why have we never done
I love this game! I love this game! I love this game! We're going past me! We are going past me! Alright, we just entered
I
the
see you guys flying.
Goodbye!
You guys are way out there.
Is Thunder falling?
Do not enter.
Thunder's parachuting.
I'm trying to back it up.
Brother, I should put pot in it.
Oh man, you guys are like straight
That would be
backwards.
hysterical.
That's amazing. What the
Um,
going
I'll just go for it. I don't know if I'm gonna be coming. Now.
Oh,
Holy
yeah, we're going to be.
We're going to be.
We're
Oh. No, we passed it.
Just barely.
Thunder, are you in the, jet?
Wow, got my dog tags taken again. Jesus.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
I think Nutella is an admin. That's exactly why he doesn't want us using Sting.